Hey guys, how's it going? So I got this area a little bit cleaned up, and I'm gonna work a little bit on the Reaper today. So I'll show you what I'm doing. It's an LED headlight from the company, so I had to drill and tap it. Got a spot to do it, so that was nice. So I'm gonna make a couple mounts real quick out of this 1/8" steel. And then weld them on here after I'm done making sure everything fits. And I'm going to show you what I got.
It's a disaster, but always pre-drill. Save your bit. Pre-drill and then step your bit sizes up, you should be alright.
Alright, so we got our mounts cut out, bent, hopefully enough.
Cool. Clean the paint off and throw that sucker on there.
Alright, so there you have it. We have a well, there it is. Hope you guys like that. Alright guys, it's about 7 p.m. here, and I'm actually waiting for somebody to come over so we can put a new bumper on their truck. So I was working on the rear to figure out the rear brake setup here. Now, I had a big old issue with a small rotor, so caliper was hitting the bolts. So I ended up finding these on a dirt bike in the back, and I had to actually drill the rotor out and drill the rotor pad a little bit to make it fit.
Let's go! She's curving off the headlight. I think we're turning this part into...
Hey, how's it going, guys? Another day here in the garage. Gonna try and get some work done to the Reaper. Gotta figure out this wiring. But right now I'm gonna work on getting this brake figured out here. Got a zip tie around it so it's stuck to the rotor there really well. So now I'm gonna try and figure out how to mount that to the bike and make it strong and look decent, because this has got to be for show too. So got this bracket made up, brake aligned. Want it. because I've been trying to figure this wiring out, and I think I got it figured out pretty well. So I'm going to start mounting the coils and the CDI and the rectifier and all that stuff. Either put a link or a picture of the easiest way to wire one of these, like a standalone system basically. So also need to finish up wiring all the lighting, obviously up to the switch and the brake light, but not a big deal. Alright guys, today I'm gonna try and finish up this Reaper video for you. Gonna clean up some of the wiring and finish some stuff up here. So wiring, so it kind of always looks like a mess, but we got it cleaned up here on our grounds and going there and back. Tail light in, so everything's all wired up. I'm gonna put a battery in it. I don't have the right battery yet, but I'm gonna get that in the next couple days. But finish up this wiring. And we'll see if we can get it started and see if the headlights, taillights work and everything. Only battery I had was pretty dead, so I'm gonna put the battery charger on it for a minute, and then let's see what happens here.
Battery zip tied down right now.
She's a runner. Still got some exhaust leaks I gotta work out, so we don't got enough spinning action yet, but alright, let's try the headlight. There's low beam, high beam. See, we got a brake light. We got our tail light on high and low. It works. Draws a little more juice on low. So everything's working. Good. Cool. We got a runner. We just need a good battery for it, so it's got plenty of juice in there. Pretty cool. is. So she runs, and I actually took her down the street for a test drive, but you're gonna have to wait for that for the Dorito and Lucha Cabre video on their channel. So I'm putting it away for now. A couple more things that need to be done, just minor stuff. Strut support for the rear fender. Got a new throttle for it because that one's a little sticky. Gonna need some modifying on it, but just basically it's done. So we're gonna strip it down and paint it up, and then you'll get the reveal video on Dorito's channel. So stay tuned and subscribe and like if you enjoy this kind of stuff, because we'll be doing a lot more of it here in the future.